Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have for sale the Pink Rock, which is a stunning 11-bedroom, 12-bathroom residence located in the very cool climate of Shaw Park Estate, Ocho Rios. The property got its name from natural form pink rock, which makes up the property. The day and the night views are absolutely breathtaking. Your dream of residing and owning a piece of paradise has just been realized. The rooms are air conditioned. The fixtures and paintings are contemporary in design and are beautiful. The furniture is priced separately and can be negotiated. Most rooms have spacious balconies that allows for the enjoyment of the views of the town of Ocho Rios and the beautiful Caribbean Sea. The floors are connected by a wooden staircase. The property is fruited and well kept, and the outdoor pool is quite appealing. The amenities include standby water generator, gazebo, electronic gate, and a beautiful lawn. The Pink Rock Inn is also in close proximity to the Konoko Falls, one of the island's best kept secrets. This residence is simply picturesque. The land area of this property is approximately 31,853 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this property, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US 2.5 million or Jamaican $384.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.